Hello, sacred souls. It's Susanna from Alamanic Shaman. I just got the fires started again. Well, not started, but restarted after putting the devil energy that was stopping us from coming into our power and was trying to stop our voice, etc. I got the fire started and it kept making this insane hissing sound, and I wanted to record it, but I don't know how much you can hear it with the messed up sound. Can you hear it? It was actually a lot louder and kind of crazier earlier, but it's still enough. It really sounds like snakes, doesn't it? And funny enough, I was guided earlier to banish and burn a nest of snakes. And earlier I put some gummy worms in the fire to represent the nest of snakes. And I feel like this is all happening now together with what we just did. So that's actually pretty amazing. Anyway, that was just my little follow-up on the ceremony we just did earlier. Yeah, still going. All right. Let us all be filled with massive amounts of healing light, unconditional love, blessings and protections, and an abundance in all areas of our lives. Be well until next time. Thanks for watching, and please give it a thumbs up. Bye. Till next time.